I'm laughing, but it was so funny because how we got inside here was so funny.
Yeah.
But I was really frustrated in the other buildings 4 and 6
Yeah.
outside. But today it's the 20th of April 2024. So we have Söderberga allé 20 here, and only a few left in this part. In Beckomberga, Stockholm, Sweden. There's a DEVE here, but DEVE Schindler actually finished in 1992.
No, DEVE. It's
Oh, but late 1991.
mm. Inspected by his besiktningar i Sverige, maintained by Konit.
I like this blue color here.
Same here.
It's like navy blue.
Yeah.
I like maritime blue.
Yeah.
And I also like this font on DV's numbers.
Same.
But also the other version is nice.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. It doesn't close.
That's